Well, I must say, it certainly looks to me as if we've completed Objective 203.3 of the LPI Level 2 exam 201. And that's creating and configuring the file system options. And in doing so, we saw the magic of the AutoFS. Remember, this is a client-side service that is used to auto-mount remote exports or shares onto the client. The configuration for that is the auto.master in the etc directory, and in there we will reference directories that are going to be used for auto mount and their configuration files, and their configuration files then would be /auto.something. So we use the auto.core configuration file to set up how the behavior of the corp directory is controlled. We saw how we could make and mount ISO files. So the ISO file is looking at a single file that is representative then of the ISO file system. So we can include multiple files or directories within then our ISO file system and then either burn it through to a physical disk or mount it. When we're using muciso-fs to create the file system, we can see some of the options that we use, such as -V for our volume label and -J for the Joliet file extensions, controlling the way that we can see files within that file system. We saw how we could protect our data using encryption, and we looked at the crypt setup package and LUKS, the Linux Unified Key Setup. Next up, we start moving into Objective 204, and we're going to be looking at RAID within Linux, so creating our software RAID devices.